This is just a quick hello to give you an update where I am with the shed. So unfortunately we had quite some downpours and the nest looks in bad shape. I don't think it's most probably that the nest got abandoned already earlier, because you might remember it was far too hot in this lean-to shed. I have pulled down the roof, the bitumen, the Dachpappe, I don't know. And yeah, I've got 2 massive chunks of concrete blocks in here. I just don't understand why they have not lifted this up. I mean, if they're making the effort to put concrete in, why not just take off the soil? Everything has got rotten down here for the obvious reasons. And then over here, this is giving me a bit of a headache. Because of the screws, they are totally rusty, and most of them you can't move at all, so I actually have to rip it off. And there must have been some activity over here, either with the hedgehog or with mice, because I didn't pull this up, all this straw. So hopefully I haven't got any babies down there. That would be really sad. Yeah. The blueberries are really, really good, especially this one. This one here has got quite big berries, and they taste delicious too. So sometimes it's just alright if you neglect something in the garden. I have plenty of concrete garden slabs here. Eventually I would like to transfer these 2 bushes over to the plot. So yeah, this decking is giving me a bit of a hard time to pull this up. Yeah, and today I only came to do some gardening, especially the tomato house. It looks completely overgrown. The strawberries have finished. Here we've got the calendulas. And the tomatoes. There are quite a few fruits on them already. I have to take care of the tomatoes today. Right now, early in the morning. So otherwise it's getting too hot. And then here, this lavender is looking very beautiful. Oh yes, and the rubbish bed. It deserves its name now. Because, yet again, it is a rubbish bed. So here with this fence here, I had to put on these because the wire just bulked out all the time, and when these cones get wet they would just become a massive weight, and then it was pushing out. So now it looks quite tidy and neat. Yeah, more rubbish here. Okay, I have to get into action now, going into the tomato house. Then I have to pick the remaining peas. Then I'm gonna pull out the broad beans, the last ones. And this was such a lovely surprise. My sweet peas. I could pick quite a few already. So this. So I've put them in here. Oopsala. Okay. So fingers crossed I haven't spoiled another nest with my building project. If the hedgehog is coming back, that would be great to tend to the babies. It was just by chance that I could see one of these babies. I couldn't see them yesterday when I took up the floorboards, these two. And today, in the sunshine, all of a sudden I could see something moving. So I needed to come up with an idea. And this is the best I could do right now. Yeah. Oh man. das ist jetzt gebrochen, weil das ist
Ja, mach nicht.
Ja.
Komm.
Aber schwer Gottes. Keine schöne Arbeit.
Ja.
Was möchtest du? Ups.
Ja, ich kann noch umkehren, weißt du?
Ja, lass mich noch, ich mach schon. Keine Sorge, irgendwie kriege ich es her. Irgendwann. Es luft eh schon alles. Ah, okay.
Der wird die riechen, na gut. Ja.
Schüsse.
Das sieht jetzt aus, als wenn nicht.
So I got an extra helping hand. This is all clear now. And I also could use my neighbor's drill, which is a much better quality. I also had the chance to look up babies of hedgehogs, and the 2 babies that I have saved are definitely not hedgehogs, or there was probably 2 mice, but they are still 2 babies, 2 living beings, so we'll see if Mama Mouse comes back to them and what I will do tomorrow, because the plan is tomorrow to take down the entire shed. Yeah. It's Sunday lunchtime, so I'm gonna call it a day. I want to have a spare time. I was probably going to the pool to swim because it's so beautiful. So yeah, tomorrow will be a full day on the plot. I'm off for the entire week, and the shed build starts on Wednesday.